So last year, 2 years ago, Valen and I planted some Irish moss under the tree next to the climbing hydrangea. And I should mention that I don't do anything in this area. I never water, never fertilize, nothing. So let's see what they look like. We planted them in this little sandy area next to this tree. And there's one. There's two. There's three. And I think that's it. 3 of them out of the 6 survived. They are just waking up, so we'll see what they look like later in the season. Irish moss. Irish moss. Irish moss.